Hello students, how are you? Today we will start our 19th chapter, The Wizard of Oz. Second, we have done the summary in our previous video. If you want to see that summary, please subscribe and you will get the video of that summary part. So in this video, we will do the question answers. So let's start the question answer of this chapter first. In this video, we will do the MCQ, we will do the read and answers, and we will do the think and answers with RTC, with hot questions, and with the grammar exercise given in your book. So let's start from the beginning, from the MCQ first. So see here the MCQ is given here. You have to choose the correct options from the given here. Oz called the city the emerald city because it was made of emeralds and green and beautiful. Green was the people's favorite color. No, yes, this is the correct, green and beautiful. So let's see the second here. What was the greatest fear of the wizard? So what will be the correct here? The correct will be the witches. Okay, now downside here is given the read and answers. So choose the correct answers from the box. For the questions given below, write the number of the answers against each question. So there are more answers than the questions. So first is given, why did the Oz feels that? Why? First is the scarecrow did not need brain. From the given options, what will be the correct here? He was learning something every day. Experience was the only thing that would bring knowledge. It belongs to the A. And which is belong here to the B? Yes. For first is belongs here to the B part. He had enough courage. All he needed was confidence in himself. And C, what will be the C answer here? It made many people unhappy, especially when the heart broke. So let's see the next. So see the next here, second part is given, complete the descriptions of the witches. You have to write about the description about the witches. The witches were really able to do wonderful things. There were 4 of them. They ruled the people who lived in the north, south, east and west. Fortunately, the witches of the north and south were good. They would do no harm. The witches of the east and the west were terribly wicked. Now see the next here is given, think and answers. So next here is think and answer. See the first question is given here. Where was the Oz born? Born कहाँ पे था? Oz जो है कहाँ पे born हुआ था? Well, what did he become when he grew up? What did he become when he grew up? मतलब जब वो बड़ा हुआ तो क्या बन गया? The Oz was born in Omaha. Omaha में born हुआ था Oz. When he grew up, he became a ventriloquist. Ventriloquist means a person who speaks without moving his or her lips and makes it seem as if his or her voice is coming from somewhere else. मतलब कि ventriloquist वे होते हैं जो मतलब कि बिना लिपसिंग की मूवमेंट किए हुए जो साउंड क्रिएट कर सके और ऐसा लगे कि वह जो साउंड है कहीं और से आ रही है, वह पर्सन नहीं बोल रहा. See the next here given, how did the Oz find himself among the strange people? कैसे जो है Oz अपने आप को उसने पाया strange people के बीच में. The Oz traveled through air in a balloon for a day and a night. जो है Oz travel करता रहा पूरे दिन और पूरी रात हवा में एक बैलून में. On the morning of the second day, जब पूरा एक दिन उससे जो है एयर में बैलून के अंदर फ्लाई करते हुआ, तो सेकेंड डे की मॉर्निंग में द बैलून केम डाउन ग्रेजुअली, और जो है सेकेंड डे जो है बैलून नीचे आ गया. दस ही लैंडेड इन द मिड्स ऑफ द स्ट्रेंज पीपल, और इस तरह से जो है वो अपने आप को उन्होंने जो ओज ने अपने आप को स्ट्रेंज पीपल के बीच में पाया. See the next is given here, third question, why did the Oz left the people think that he was a wizard? क्यों ओज ने जो है लोगों को ऐसा सोचने दिया कि जो ओज है वो एक विज़र्ड है. The Oz let the people think that he was a wizard so that they could fear and obey him. ऐसा इसलिए करने दिया उसने, ओज ने सोचने दिया ताकि जो है वो उससे डरे और उसकी बातों को माने. See the next fourth is given, why did the Oz put green spectacles on all the people? क्यों जो है Oz लोगों को green spectacles पहनाना चाहता था यहाँ पे, क्यों पहनाए थे उसने? The Oz put green spectacles on all the people so that everything they saw was green in color. जो भी कुछ है उनको सब कुछ जो है ग्रीन नज़र आए, इसलिए जो है ना उसने Oz ने ग्रीन स्पेक्टिकल्स लोगों को दिए थे वेयर करने के लिए. See the next here, fifth. Why was the Oz happy that the witches had been destroyed? Oz जो है happy क्यों हो गया था जब उसे पता चल गया था कि वो witches जो है, चुड़ैल जो है वो destroyed हो गई है. The Oz was afraid of the witches of the east and the west as they were terrible wicked. जो ओज है वो डरा हुआ था विचेस से, ईस्ट की और वेस्ट की, क्योंकि वो बहुत ही टेरिबल विक्ड थी. एंड दस वॉज हैप्पी दैट द विचेस वर डिस्ट्रॉयड. और इस तरह से वो सुनकर हैप्पी भी हो गया जब उसे पता चला कि विचेस जो है डिस्ट्रॉयड हो गई है. Dorothy named the Oz the great and terrible humbug. Why did she name him so? Dorothy ने Oz को क्यों the great and terrible humbug, humbug means होता है पाखंडी, तो ऐसा नेम उसने Dorothy ने Oz को क्यों दिया? The name was appropriate. वो जो नेम था वो बिल्कुल सही था, because he had fooled so many people including Dorothy and her friends for so long. ऐसा जो है ये नाम डॉरेथी ने दिया वो बिल्कुल सही है, क्योंकि वो उसने बहुत से लोगों को फूल बना दिया था, और जिसमें कि डॉरेथी और उसके फ्रेंड्स भी इंक्लूड थे, और काफ़ी लंबे समय से इनको जो है फूल बनाया था. See the next seventh is given here, what made Dorothy and her friends go back to their rooms in high spirit? किस चीज़ ने जो डॉरेथी को और उसके फ्रेंड्स को उनके रूम में बहुत ही हाई स्पिरिट में जल्दी से पहुंचा दिया था? Dorothy and her friends went back to their rooms in high spirit as they knew the Oz would find a way to fulfill all their promises. वो इसलिए जल्दी चले थे क्योंकि वो जानते थे कि जो ओज है वो उनकी विशेज़ जो प्रॉमिस किया है ओज ने वो उनको पूरा कर देगा. Now eighth is given, who wants what? कौन क्या चाहता है? मैच एंड फाइंड आउट. उसको मैच कीजिए और फाइंड आउट कीजिए. स्केयरक्रो क्या चाहता है, लॉयन क्या चाहता है, और टिन वुडमैन क्या चाहता है? सो टिन वुडमैन wants a hut and scarecrow wants a brain and lion here wants a courage. Now next is here RTC reference to context. First, there were 4 of them in this country. So who says these words and to whom? Yes, Oz said these words to Dorothy and her friends. And B is given, who does them refer to here? So them refer to 4 witches of north, west, east, south. Now next is C part, which country is being talked about? यहाँ पे कौन सी कंट्री की बात हो रही है? यहाँ पे yes, the land of Oz is being talked about here. यहाँ पे हम लैंड की बात कर रहे हैं जो कि ओज की लैंड है. What happened next? इसके बाद क्या हुआ? Oz tells Dorothy and her friends about the 4 witches. और उसके बाद जो है डॉरेथी ओज ने बताया डॉरेथी को और उसके फ्रेंड्स को about the 4 witches, 4 चुड़ैलों के बारे में. Now next is last 4 questions is given here. Do you think the Oz really gave brain to the scarecrow, courage to the lion and hurt to the tin woodman? Give reason to support your answer. आपको क्या लगता है कि ओज ने सच में जो है स्केयरक्रो को ब्रेन और लॉयन को करेज और टिन वुडमैन को हर्ट दिया? He did not really give these things. ये चीज़ें जो हैं ओज ने नहीं दी. He gave them confidence to believe in their strength. और उसने जो है ओज ने उनको कॉन्फिडेंस, साहस दिया है ये विश्वास करने के लिए कि उनमें ऐसी स्ट्रेंथ है कि वो सब चीज़ें खुद अपने आप से गेन कर सकते हैं, प्राप्त कर सकते हैं. Thank you for watching this. We will do grammar part in our next video of this chapter. Thank you for watching this. Bye bye.